Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share a story I created for Fiend Effects Farms. I'll be using the game's tutorial as a backdrop so you can experience the story as it plays out through the visual. Get ready to throw your kids into a hilarious farm adventure. They'll join our main character, vacation-bound kid who is probably just as bored as yours, on a wild ride through fields, pumpkins, and ghostly surprises. It's not just a farming lesson, it's a full on challenge of wits. Along the way, they'll be dodging spooky farm workers, squashing sneaky mice, and learning resilience because farm life waits for no one. Think of it as a crash course in farming, quick thinking, and staying calm when goals are hot on your heels. Fun and life skills? Yep, all in one. Now, I'd love to be the one narrating this story for you, but as you might notice, my English isn't exactly ready for prime time. So, for the sake of your ears and enjoyment, I'm handing this over to an AI with a far better accent and storytelling voice. Let's dive in and have some fun.
Max and Lena lived in a cozy town called Birkentown, a place full of friendly faces, quiet streets, and endless summer days. School was out, and Max and Lena were thrilled to be on vacation. But after a few days of playing at home, Max started feeling a bit bored. One sunny afternoon, Max wandered into the living room and found Mom scrolling through her phone. Max looked up with a sigh and said,
Mom, I'm so bored. I don't know what to do. Is there anything fun we can do today?
Something fun? Let me think.
Mom smiled, knowing just the thing to keep Max busy.
Okay, here are some ideas. Press 1, 2, 3, or 4 to answer. 1. Go to the farms. 2. Learn something interesting about the plants and animals on the farm. 3. Help get rid of all the mice on the farm. Or 4. Have a pumpkin fight with other kids on the farm.
Max's eyes lit up at the thought.
The farms? That sounds amazing.
Great! Get the apple if you are hurt. It will heal you. And go get in the car. I will take you there. But be careful at night. There are ghosts. You must hide and run from them. They can't be killed. But don't worry, once you learn everything about the plants and animals, you will become immortal.
But right as Max stepped outside, something small and scurrying caught his eye. A tiny mouse darted across the porch. Max's eyes grew wide with excitement.
Wow, a real mouse.
The mouse looked at Max as if daring him to catch it. And before he knew it, Max was in full chase mode. He grabbed the first thing he could find, a small pumpkin from the porch decorations, and gently tossed it toward the mouse. With a squeak, the mouse ran off, leaving a small, bright green clover where it had stood. Max picked up the clover, feeling a strange energy come from it. Just as he held it close, a strange chill crept through the air, and the sunlight faded. Day had quickly turned to night. Max looked around, and to his surprise, a soft, glowing figure started appearing down the path. A friendly-looking ghost who seemed just as surprised to see Max. Max's heart beat faster, and without thinking twice, he started to run, dodging through the bushes and weaving around trees to keep ahead of the ghost. The ghost floated along faster and faster, but Max kept running, feeling the thrill of the chase. Just as he thought he might be caught, the headlights of the family car shone brightly through the trees. Mom had come to help.
Quick, get in!
Mom called from the driver's seat. Max dashed toward the car, leapt inside, and closed the door just in time. With a quick wave, the ghost floated back into the night, leaving Max with a racing heart and a big smile. As they rode off, Mom turned to Max and winked.
Looks like you're ready for a real farm adventure now.
And with that, they drove toward the farms, where even more surprises, facts, and fun were waiting for Max in the morning light. From that day on, Max learned that even the smallest adventures could be filled with excitement, challenges, and unexpected surprises. And sometimes, a little bravery and a pumpkin are all you need.
Alright, folks, that's a wrap on our first big adventure in Find the Facts Farms. Today we covered the basic, everything from figuring out how to move around without getting too dizzy, which took me a while, let's be honest, to launching those pumpkin-powered shots at mischievous mice. You also got a taste of the real challenge, answering questions from our friendly mom. Or then later in the game, the farms workers. They may seem harmless, but get a fact wrong and they'll make sure you'll never forget it. And finally, when the sun goes down, we turn up the thrill with some ghost chasing. You gotta be quick on your feet because once night falls, these ghosts won't be asking any questions. They'll just want to take you. And let's say you don't get any bonus points for that. So, whether you are here for the pumpkin fights, some farming knowledge, or just to test your running skills under a spooky sky, Find the Facts Farms has a bit of everything. I may have needed a little help telling the story today, but I hope you enjoyed it. Now, don't forget to check out the links in the description to give the game a try yourself. And remember, if you see any ghosts, just keep running. Survive until the morning, and you'll be safe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the farm.
Another boring day of vacation. I've already checked my phone like a million times and there's still nothing to do. How am I supposed to survive all this free time? Maybe Mom has some ideas, but knowing her, it's probably going to be chores. Please, no more chores. But maybe she'll surprise me. Maybe we could do something cool, like go to the park or play a game. Well, I won't know unless I ask. Mom, I'm so bored. I don't know what to do. Is there anything fun we can do today?
Something fun? Let me think. Okay, here are some ideas. Press 1, 2, 3, or 4 to answer. 1. Go to the farms. 2. Learn something interesting about the plants and animals on the farm. 3. Help get rid of all the mice on the farm. Or 4. Have a pumpkin fight with other kids on the farm. Are you sure? Something fun? Let me think. Okay, here are some ideas. Press 1, 2, 3, or 4 to answer. 1. Go to the farms. 2. Learn something interesting about the plants and animals on the farm. 3. Help get rid of all the mice on the farm.
Great! Get the apple if you are hurt. It will heal you. And go get in the car. I will take you there. But be careful at night. There are ghosts. You must hide and run.
Something fun? Let me think.